A question that we're often asked is, can my fish survive in the pond during the winter time? I'm Michael from Soares Landscaping, and I'm going to demystify this myth for you. So we're sitting pondside beside this new 7x10 pond, and inside you'll see we've got 8 different fish just swimming around this fish cave that's here. There is 2 butterfly koi, 2 koi, and 4 shubunkins. And you can actually see one just swimming right here. Now, as you can see, it's about a 2-foot deep pond, and right in the center of it is about a 2-foot long fish cave. This fish cave serves a couple functions. One, provides a safe place for fish to hide when predators arrive. The second, it houses warmer water during the winter months. What will happen is warm water will be at the bottom, cold water will be at the top, and the top may even freeze over to a certain degree. The fish will be slow moving, but they will survive over the winter time, and they'll use this warmer water to do so. In addition, what we do is you can leave the waterfall running as long as it doesn't dam over with ice. As long as you maintain the pond with some kind of hole in the ice, it will all be good. If the ice freezes over completely over the entire pond, what will happen is the ammonia levels will rise, killing the fish, and they, of course, will no longer survive. This is how we keep fish alive in the wintertime in the ponds. Of course, some people are a little bit more cautious with their fish, and they will still opt to bring them inside. However, these systems are more than capable of keeping fish alive in the wintertime, as long as you follow the methods that we've just introduced. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll see you next time.